Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm part of the Ent-r-e-novators project in which I lead a work package on citizen engagement. Throughout a series of videos, I will introduce you to the world of citizen and stakeholder engagement. In this video, I will be talking about what citizen science is and how you can recognize it. There is no one definition of citizen science. Since it is applied in different research areas, the definition can vary according to the field. Broadly speaking, citizen science refers to the active engagement of the general public in scientific research tasks. Across definitions, several core principles arise, namely public participation, collaboration between researchers and citizens, and the pursuit of scientific knowledge. This means that citizen science requires the active participation of citizens instead of just tolerating the daily life contexts, as is often done in traditional research. One example of a citizen science project is the Flemish air quality study called Curieuze Neuzen. Curieuze Neuzen translates as curious noses, which in Flanders is said about a person who is very curious, but also refers to sniffing the air quality. It was a large-scale citizen science study to which 50,000 people in Flanders subscribed and 20,000 ultimately participated. Participants measured air quality in their street. The project affirmed belief in citizen sciences. It was one of the first citizen science studies to show that high-quality data could be gathered through citizens. It also raised awareness about air quality by making it more clear which cities had air quality issues. As a result, it influenced local policy, leading to lower emission zones, transportation policies, and infrastructure investments. In sum, there are some common principles that apply to citizen science. First of all, training for citizens can be included. Contributing to science literacy. Secondly, target groups can take on different roles in the research process. In a citizen science study, the knowledge that citizens have is greatly valued and seen as different from the knowledge that researchers have. Thirdly, participation is inclusive and voluntary. Participation is not restricted by external rewards or skills. Researchers provide the necessary assistance when needed. Fourthly, the role of citizens is valued and recognized. This means that the contribution of citizens is publicly acknowledged. Participants have the right to access the data and results, and that participants are valued for their participation. Finally, research departs from societal interest. In the Ent-r-e-novators project, we have developed a scavenger hunt to familiarize yourself with citizen science. When you play this game, you will get a bingo card on which multiple citizen science principles are presented. The facilitator will read you a story, or when playing the game individually, you can read it by yourself. Your job is to recognize as many principles on your bingo card as possible. Good luck! Thank you for watching this video on how to recognize citizen science. In the next video, you'll learn more about different levels of engagement in research.